We often wait for weekends, birthdays, or vacations to feel happy. But what if I told you, every day has the power to be special? This story will show you how even the simplest days can become the most beautiful chapters of your life. There once lived an old man named David. Every morning, he'd dress neatly, smile at strangers, water his plants, and watch the sunrise with peace in his heart. People often asked, "Why are you so happy? Nothing new happens in your life." He simply replied, "Because I don't wait for big things. I enjoy the little things. My coffee, the birds singing, a kind word, they all make today special." One day, a young boy named Ethan, tired of feeling empty, sat beside David and asked, "How can I feel happy every day?" David smiled and said, "Stop waiting. Start noticing. Make your bed, greet the morning sun, talk to someone kindly. When you live fully in each moment, life becomes beautiful." From that day, Ethan changed his life. Not by chasing more, but by appreciating more. The real beauty of life lies not in the big events, but in how you live your everyday moments. You don't need something extraordinary to feel special, you just need a grateful heart, a calm mind, and a willingness to smile more. Don't wait for Friday to feel alive. Dance on a Tuesday. Laugh on a Wednesday. Hug your loved ones every morning. Life is short, make today the most beautiful day of your life. Every sunrise is a new chance to begin again. You may not control everything, but you can choose to see good in something, be kind to someone, or forgive yourself for yesterday. That choice makes all the difference. Make your moments matter. Light a candle, write in your journal, step outside and breathe. You're not here to just exist, you're here to feel and live. Start now. Make today special. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Today. You don't need a perfect life to live a beautiful one. Just slow down, open your heart, and you'll see. The magic was always around you. Today is yours. Make it unforgettable. If this story touched your heart, help us spread more love and light. Hit the subscribe button, join our beautiful community, and let's walk this journey of life with hope, strength, and smiles. You matter, and we're so happy you're here.